Welcome back to the Mass Academy Law Club YouTube channel. This is the video on the Introduction to Civil Law. Make sure to check out our previous video, which will be in the top right-hand corner. Civil law regulates disputes between private individuals or between an individual and the government. This is considered an issue of law, such as a breach of agreement. For example, Jeff could sue the Floridian government for not allowing medical marijuana. Civil procedure is the steps that are taken from the moment a breach of agreement occurs to the end of the trial. The first thing that occurs in a civil trial is an event that causes a party to sue. This could be any event for which the plaintiff feels wronged, such as a car crash. The next step is to hire a lawyer, which is not very easy as there are certain steps that must be followed. Usually the time between the wrongful act and filing a civil suit is called informal discovery. Once a wrongful act has occurred, the plaintiff may contact an attorney who would investigate the case. They would meet again and decide a course of action to pursue. Once the lawyer is officially hired, the lawyer contacts the defendant, and if they cannot find an agreement, a lawsuit would be filed. Pleadings in a civil case are different than in a criminal case. In a civil case, there are two documents, the complaint and answer. The complaint is a formal document written by the plaintiff for why the defendant is being sued. It usually includes a demand for judgment for the relief the plaintiff seeks. After the complaint has been filed, it is usually served or given to the defendant as a writ of summons. A summons warns the defendant that a default judgment may be made if they do not respond to the complaint in a specified amount of time. The delivery of the summons can occur in multiple ways, such as personal service, substituted service, or constructive service. A summons is then given to a plaintiff in three main ways. Personal service is the distribution of a summons through an official of the law, usually the sheriff. Substituted service is the distribution of the summons through the mail, and constructive service is the posting of the summons in the legal section of the newspaper. After the defendant receives the complaint, they file back an answer. The answer is a document that makes admissions and denials. Admissions say the facts proposed by the plaintiff are correct. Denials say the facts proposed by the plaintiff are wrong. The defendant could file a countersuit if they feel wronged by the plaintiff, to which the plaintiff would have to reply to. By watching this video, you are supporting the Mass Academy Law Club. The Mass Academy Law Club is a student-run organization that aims to give everyone a fair shot at learning the law. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for future videos. More court videos are coming out soon. Share the video with anyone who may need help on the topic.